conversation between Robert and Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. How's the weather today?
Hi, Robert. It's sunny and warm. How about you?
It's raining here, but it's not too cold.
That's nice. I love rainy weather.
Yeah, it's great for staying indoors and reading a book.
Definitely. I'm planning to curl up with a good book later.
Sounds like a plan. I might go for a walk later, if the rain lets up.
That sounds nice. I wish it would rain here more often.
Yeah, it's refreshing when it does.
By the way, do you know if it's supposed to rain all week?
I'm not sure. I'll check the weather forecast.
Thanks. I hope it does. I love the rain.
Me too. It's a nice change from the usual sunny days.
Definitely. It's so calming and peaceful.
Exactly. It's like nature's way of resetting.
Exactly. I couldn't have said it better myself.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.